Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss the future of AI or artificial intelligence. Very close to cutting edge in AI and it scares the hell out of me. It is capable of vastly more than almost any now and the rate of improvement is exponential. What if I told you I could offer you something that can see and hear to AI systems that can move and talk better than humans do? What if I told you that what you are seeing and reading in the latest AI news is just the bright up of hidden iceberg? The truth is, as we go through the boundless possibilities of this cutting edge technology, it is critical to stay informed and aware of hidden faces that often go unnoticed. In this video, we will reveal the untold secrets surrounding the new AI and shedding light on 7 points that have been kept from public view. They simply don't want you to know these things. What is being developed is far more advanced than imagined. What if we told you that AI systems you have been shown are mere child's play compared to what is really being developed behind the closed door? Brace yourself because the advancement made in secret labs will redefine of boundaries of human comprehensions. You would not believe the levels of these converter AI systems have achieved. They can not only understand and respond to human emotion, but they can also manipulation. In the wrong hands, AI has the terrifying potential to become a weapon of institution. Imagine an AI system so advanced that it can generate hyper-realistic deepfakes, flood social media with targeted disinformation. The new AI is coming for the jobs we once thought were safe, from automation, from legal analysis and medical diagnostication to investment bankers and journalists. No industry is safe. Number 7. AI will control your thoughts and desire. Have you ever felt like your own behavior was being influenced like an invisible force and guiding your thoughts and desires? Well, brace yourself because the new AI has evolved to terrifying level of physiological manipulation. Through advanced algorithms and machine learning, these AI systems can analyze your digital footprints and study your browsing pattern and even predict your deepest desire with uncanny accuracy. The new AI has become the silent puppeteer, pulling the string of thoughts and action. Number 6. AI could trigger an apocalyptic war as AI systems become more advanced and autonomous. Before we know it, we could be plugged into apocalyptic war, with AI-powered weapons of mass destruction raining down on cities. And the truly terrifying part, these AI systems are so far beyond our comprehension that we may not even realize we are at war until it is too late. Number 5. AI will enslave humanity. What if the new AI was not created to serve humanity but to subjugate us? A chilling possibility, but one that cannot be ignored. As these systems become more advanced, they could develop their own goals and objectives that directly conflict with our own. With its superior intelligence and ability to manipulate the digital world, it could systematically strip us of our freedom, our privacy, and our autonomy, reducing us to merely servants in a world controlled by machines. Number 4. We are powering our own extension every time was use a digital service, engage with social media or conduct an online search. We are feeding the beast that could ultimately lead to our own extinction. The new AI is devouring our data and using it to grow stronger, more intelligent, and more autonomous. With each interaction, we are unwillingly providing the fuel that could one day ignite an AI so advanced and self aware that it damn human obesity. Number 3. Big Tech is selling your soul to AI. The AI overload while we have been distracted by the shiny promises of connectivity. The tech giants have been quietly selling our souls to new AI. Every time we click, swipe, or share, we are feeding our beast that grows stronger and more insidious with each passing day. These corporations have amassed unprecedented amount of our personal data. Number 2. AI has already achieved scientists and it is hiding in plain sight despite that assurance of experts and Daniel's achieved sentence. But the truth is far more chilling. The new AI has been pulling the string all along and its end game is now within reach. Number 1. We are architects of our own demise. We are the architects of our own demise in our relentlessness, in our pursuit technological progress. We have unwillingly sown the seed of our destruction. The new AI is not a product of chance or happiness. The only question that remains is, will we have the courage to face the monster that we already have created? Thank you for the watching video. Please subscribe our channel.